There was a case of a man who wanted a certain position, and he told me, make dua. We are going in to vote today, in our company, and I want this position. So I said, look, if it is good for you, may it happen. He said, no, I want it. I said, you can't say that. Make a dua to say, oh Allah, if it's better for me, let it happen. If not, we don't want it to happen. And he says, no, please just make dua. This time make dua that I want the post. I said, look, that's the best I can offer you in terms of dua. I'm very, very confident. If it's better for you, let it happen. If not, you won't get it. Anyway, the guy got the post. And his life turned upside down. Because a little while later, something happened in the company and the investigation came in, and he, being at the top of the company, was the one who was responsible. They jailed him after that for a few months. They held him, and wallahi, later on, he came to me and says, I never forget what you told me when you said, if it's better for me, let it happen. This was the worst possible thing.